What's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to make an intro like this one.
Okay, so first thing we select the clips, we put them on the timeline. Next thing we are going to select the music for the intro. Next we are gonna mark the beat of the music of the track, because what we want is to cut the clips on the beat, so it will make it like more professionally. So we select the music clip, put it on play, and pressing the letter M, it will make every mark on every beat. So when we have already marked the music, we are gonna start to trim all the clips. Some of those we are going to make them faster, like this one with the couple. We are gonna speed it up, so we click on the clock that is here, and we make a faster time 408, something like that. So the idea is to get the clips and uh, put them in between the marks. I'm gonna organize them a little bit, and I'm gonna speed it up, and I will make it a bit faster. Okay, now that I have them all trimmed and put them in between the marks that we do with the music, so like that it will make the change on the beat. It will look something like this. Okay, now we are gonna select this video that is I'm working with the computer, and we are gonna add some effects, and I use the quick flash pin, so it's making it like twist a little bit like now. So we add them. And then we are gonna start to put the transitions. So I'm using the ones I have here, so it's up to you how you wanna make the video last sense. So I'm gonna speed it up to put them quick. And then after putting all, so it should be looking like this. Okay. Now we are gonna add an adjustment layer on the top of the clips, and we are gonna select the look of the 50s TV, and it will change like in black and white. So after that we are gonna do solid. We are gonna choose the color. We are gonna get like maybe some blue. After that we are gonna go to the blend mode, and we are gonna select overlay. So it should look like this one. So once done all the things, the only thing is to put your test, your title. You can use your logo, you can animate them. So I'm gonna select the ones I have already done, and I'm gonna paste it here that way, and that's all the video done. I hope you enjoyed it.